Hello kids! Today we will practice simple sentences. We will learn about camels. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Camels walk through dry desert sands. Again, camels walk through dry desert sands. Your turn. Very good. Humps store water for hot days. This is a hump. Again, humps store water for hot days. Your turn. Very good. Camels walk and run slowly. Again, camels walk and run slowly. Your turn. Very good. They drink water quickly. Again, they drink water quickly. Your turn. Very good. Camels coat shields from harsh sun. Again, camels coat shields from harsh sun. Your turn. Very good. Camel feet leave prints in sand. Again, camel feet leave prints in sand. Your turn. Very good. It's time for questions. Are you ready? Question 1. Where do camels live? Option 1, desert. Option 2, forest. And the right answer is option 1, desert. Camels live in the desert. Question 2. What do camels store in hump? Option 1, food. Option 2, water. And the right answer is option 2, water. Camels store water in their hump. Question 3. How do camels run? Option 1, slow. Option 2, fast. And the right answer is option 1, slow. Camels run slow. Question 4. Do camels leave footprints in the sand? Option 1, yes. Option 2, no. And the right answer is option 1, yes. Camels leave footprints in the sand. Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye-bye.